Okay, practical number 3 from C programming. कम्प्युटरचे जे स्टुडंट्स आहेत त्यांच्या मॅन्युअल मध्ये प्रॅक्टिकल नंबर 3 जे आहे ते आपण पाहणार आहे. In previous lectures we already completed practical number 1 and 2, right? You have to write down all the things in your practical notebook. How to write, I already told you. Okay, so now we will start our practical number 3. Program statement of practical number 3 is write a simple program to convert temperature Fahrenheit degrees to centigrade degree. Means what? Here input is given by user in Fahrenheit degrees and you have to calculate its appropriate centigrade degree. Means input is in Fahrenheit and you have to calculate, means your output is in Celsius or centigrade degree. So what is the formula of how to convert Fahrenheit degree to centigrade degree? माहिती आहे का कुणाला? Okay, how to calculate Fahrenheit into centigrade? There is a one formula. Okay, how to calculate? Just check here. Okay, Fahrenheit, it is represented by degree and F symbol, and centigrade or Celsius is represented by degree and C symbol. Our input is in Fahrenheit and we have to convert this value in centigrade or Celsius value. So if user enters Fahrenheit degree value, we have to calculate its appropriate centigrade value and display on the screen. So formula is Fahrenheit degree minus 32, Fahrenheit degree minus 32 into 5 divided by 9. So you can get centigrade or Celsius value. So this is your input. User enters value of F, then it performs F minus 32 first and then it is multiplied with 5. Whatever the answer, it is multiplied with 5 and then it is divided by 9. Then we can get its appropriate centigrade or Celsius value. So we have to develop the program for that. Okay. So here first काय? What is the part of first?
Slash includes.
Right. We have to include header files in our program, right? Hash include stdio.h, right? Then main function. From main function, our program execution will start. And now here, आपल्याला काय करायचंय? We have to calculate Fahrenheit degree to centigrade degree. Now tell me, what are the variables? How many variables and name of variables we required? किती व्हेरिएबल लागतील आपल्याला डिक्लेअर करण्यासाठी? अँड टेल मी द टाइप ऑफ डेटा, इंटिजर और फ्लोट. कोणता डेटा टाइप यूज करावा लागेल व्हेरिएबल?
Integer.
Integer.
ओके, someone told integer, someone told float. ओके, फ्लोट इज करेक्ट आन्सर. कुणी सांगितलंय? येस, फ्लोट कुणी सांगितलं आता आन्सर?
मी सांगितलं सर.
हा येस, कशावरून वाटलं फ्लोट येईल?
कारण की डिग्री सेल्सिअस कधी पण जास्त करून तर पॉइंट मध्येच असतात.
Okay, your answer is correct, but here we have to consider this formula. This is divided by 9 means what? It may be float or it may be integer, right? Divide by 9. जर डिव्हिजन ऑपरेशन परफॉर्म होत असेल तर व्हॅल्यू कधीही फ्लोटने डिक्लेअर करायची, जर आपल्याला व्हॅल्यूज माहित नसतील तर. ओके, सो यू कॅन यूज फ्लोट व्हेरिएबल हियर. सो हाऊ मेनी व्हेरिएबल्स वी रिक्वायर्ड to declare float? Yes, tell me variable name. कुठे व्हॅल्यू स्टोअर करायला लागेल? एक तर आपल्याला युजर कडून फॅरेनहाइट इनपुट घ्यायचे. सो हियर आय डिक्लेअर वन व्हेरिएबल which can hold Fahrenheit degree value, and after calculation we have to print centigrade degree. So here I use C variable to print centigrade degree. Okay, so declare your two variables, float Fahrenheit, which can hold Fahrenheit degree value, and C, which can stored after calculation value Celsius. So now accept the value Fahrenheit from the user. Now tell me the code. कोड सांगा. मला काय करायचंय, युजर कडून ऍक्सेप्ट करायची व्हॅल्यू. तर मला प्रिंटएफ मध्ये मेसेज द्यावा लागेल. सो प्रिंटएफ कोटेशन /n. फर्स्ट इज एंटर Fahrenheit degree, right? Enter Fahrenheit. Enter Fahrenheit degree, then semicolon, and then by using scanf you can read this value. So tell me the part of scanf. इथे काय लिहावं लागेल कोटेशन मध्ये? %f लिहावा लागेल आणि व्हॅल्यू कुठे स्टोअर करायची? FR मध्ये. सो डेटा टाइप ऑफ FR इज float. So %f and here next after comma
and %fr.
%fr means what? हा मेसेज डिस्प्ले होईल, एंटर Fahrenheit degree, and now user can enter any value. So it is stored inside FR. ती FR मध्ये stored होईल. Now you have to calculate centigrade degree. C is equal to. आता इकडे लक्ष द्या. एक्झाम्पल कसं आहे रे, हे आपण असं करू शकतो का सी मध्ये? डिवाइड बाय 9. इट इज पॉसिबल इन मॅथमॅटिक्स, इन नोटबुक मध्ये लिहिताना असं लिहू शकतो आपण. बट इन प्रोग्रामिंग वी हॅव टू कन्वर्ट दिस फॉर्म्युला इन प्रोग्रामिंग स्टेटमेंट. ओके, सो प्रोग्रामिंग स्टेटमेंट मध्ये आपल्याला ते कन्वर्ट करायचंय. सो पहिल्यांदा आपल्याला एफ मायनस Fahrenheit -32 करायचं. सो FR -32 म्हणजे ती व्हॅल्यू कॅल्क्युलेट होईल. त्यानंतर त्याला मल्टिप्लाय विथ 5 करायचंय. सो याला पण ब्रॅकेट करावं लागेल. सो दिस ब्रॅकेट इज स्टार्ट्स हिअर. काय होणार आहे इथे? फर्स्ट इट कॅल्क्युलेट्स रिझल्ट ऑफ FR -32. देन व्हॉट एव्हर द रिझल्ट इट इज मल्टिप्लाय विथ 5. 5 शी मल्टिप्लाय होईल. And then we have to perform which operation? Divide by 9, right? So divide by 9. So division 9. Then we will get centigrade degree. Now C can hold whatever the result of this function or this mathematical expression. It is stored inside C because of assignment operator. What is the job of assignment operator? Whatever the result at RHS side, it can stored inside LHS side. So C is at LHS. So C can hold value of expression. Now मला प्रिंट करायची व्हॅल्यू सांगा. प्रिंटएफ स्टेटमेंट काय येईल? प्रिंटएफ स्टेटमेंट सांगा फास्ट. काय येईल स्टेटमेंट? हॅलो,
Centigrade degree is equal to.
ओके,
Value of C is equal to.
पहिल्यांदा कोटेशन साइन, त्यानंतर कॉमा. आता सी ची व्हॅल्यू प्रिंट करायची म्हणून कॉमा. इथे काय केले रे? इट प्रिंट्स ओनली मेसेज. सो मेसेज असेल तर ओनली कोटेशन साइन द्यायचे. बट आता मला मेसेज सोबत सी ची व्हॅल्यू पण प्रिंट करायची. आय वॉन्ट टू प्रिंट मेसेज विथ व्हॅल्यू ऑफ सी. सो कोटेशन अँड कॉमा. सो हियर फर्स्ट गिव्ह मेसेज सेंटीग्रेड degree is equal to, then format specifier of C is
%f.
%f.
%f. yes, सगळ्यांनी आन्सर द्यायचंय. कॉमा, देन हियर काय लिहावं
C.
लागेल?
And
C, because I want to print value of C. So C is here. So use /n, so it will print on new line. So compile this code. So save it. So practical number 3. Just check here, errors are 0. Then now I execute. Enter Fahrenheit degree. So here I give input, suppose 98. Then 98 centigrade degree is 36.66. So it is converted into centigrade degree. So it is in 36.66. So this is the program of your practical number 3. Okay. Practical number 3 चा हा program आहे. Just check. Okay, and this is the output. Okay, one is output. बघा इथे, here first we accept value of enter Fahrenheit degree, then Fahrenheit degree message is printed, enter Fahrenheit degree, it is not display. Okay, enter Fahrenheit degree is display, enter Fahrenheit degree, and here user enters 98, right? So 98 is stored inside FR variable, FR मध्ये ते stored झाले. Then now next here C is calculated, FR minus 32 into 5, then divide by 9. आता इथे bracket केले means bracket is execute first, then it is multiply with 5, and then last time division operation perform होणार आहे, and then value C मध्ये stored झाली. Now this message is display centigrade degree here, and then we have to display C value. So data type of C is float. So here I use %f of format specifier. %f means what? इथे जो फॉर्मॅट स्पेसिफायर तुम्ही यूज केलाय तिथेच ती व्हॅल्यू प्रिंट होणार आहे. बघा इथे इज इक्वल टू नंतर जिथे %f आहे तिथे व्हॅल्यू प्रिंट झाले. मी लास्ट लेक्चरला सांगितलेलं याची पोझिशन कुठेही चेंज केले की तिथे सी ची व्हॅल्यू प्रिंट होते. सो दिस इज दी प्रोग्राम ऑफ युअर experiment number 3. Okay, so we have to write down algorithm for experiment number 3. जे आपण प्रोग्राम मध्ये केले, actually this is the first step of program. प्रोग्राम करण्या अगोदर आपल्याला algorithm लिहावं लागतं. So first step of algorithm is always start, then second step declare frc as float, right? हेच आपण केले ना. Then third is accept value of fr variable, right? हेच प्रोग्राम मध्ये आपण केले. fr ची व्हॅल्यू ऍक्सेप्ट केली and then calculate व्हॅल्यू केलेली c, and then fourth calculate c is equal to bracket fr minus 32 into 5 bracket complete main bracket divide by 9, and then last one is print the value of c, and then last step is stop. So this is your algorithm for practical number 3. Then now next is flowchart. So first step is start, so it is mentioned by terminal symbol. अजून कोणती स्टेप असते रे टर्मिनलने आपण रिप्रेझेंट करतो?
Stop.
Right. Stop step is also display by using terminal symbol. This is flow line, means it connects next step. So declare frc as float. So this is procedure. So procedure is represented by which symbol?
Rectangle.
Parallelogram.
No, parallelogram is used for input values. So rectangle is used for declare. So here I declare float. So you can simply write down here float fr comma c, or you can write down also whole statement. Both are correct. Declare frc as float. Okay. So here I use small statement फ्लोट FRC. देन नाव हिअर आता मला सांगा कोणता सिम्बॉल येईल इथे, accept value of FR. Now here parallelogram is used. ओके, तर इथे आता पॅरलेलोग्राम यूज करायचं बिकॉज हे इनपुट आपण घेतोय ना, इनपुट इज ऑलवेज रिप्रेझेंटेड बाय पॅरलेलोग्राम सिम्बॉल. सो हिअर accept value of C, accept value of FR, right? Accept value of FR. Then now next step. What is the next step? Calculate C equal to FR minus 32. So it is again represented by rectangle symbol. So write down by rectangle symbol, connect it and rectangle. And here C is, here write down perform. C is equal to bracket FR minus 32 bracket complete into 5 divided by 9. Then now next step is print value of C. Now tell me which symbol is used.
Parallelogram.
Right, good. So because it is printed output, so use this symbol again, print C. And now last step is stop. Stop is represented by terminal. Okay, so terminal symbol, terminal and stop. So this is the flowchart for given algorithm. This one is algorithm, okay, and this one is flowchart for that algorithm. Okay, this one is flowchart for that algorithm. तर हा flowchart आपण केलेला आहे. Then now C program is already completed. This is C program for practical number 3 and this is the output. C program is completed. Then now result. What is your result? Here enter Fahrenheit degree is equal to 98. Centigrade degree is equal to 36.5 times 6 and then 8. So write down here your output. Okay. Then conclusion is, what is the conclusion? We have successfully implemented or executed program for conversion of Fahrenheit degree to centigrade degree. Okay. Now next practical related questions. Convert the, कुणाचा तरी माइक चालू आहे, माइक बंद करा. शकील अन्सारी. माइक वर लक्ष ठेवत जावा, कधी कधी ऑन राहतो, आन्सर सांगितल्यानंतर परत माइक ऑफ करायचा. ओके. नेक्स्ट इज प्रॅक्टिकल रिलेटेड क्वेश्चन्स. प्रॅक्टिकल रिलेटेड questions from practical number 3. X is equal to, convert the following mathematical formula into appropriate C statements. जसं की मी आता सांगितलं की we have to convert, आपण याला मॅथमॅटिकल एक्सप्रेशन मध्ये कन्वर्ट केले, राईट. तसंच आपल्याला काय करायचंय, इथे दिलेले जे स्टेटमेंट आहेत ते कन्वर्ट करायचे सी स्टेटमेंट मध्ये. माइनस बी इंटू बी 24 AC then 2A. Okay, so here how to write? X is equal to, here B into B perform first. आता इथे इनविजिबल ऑपरेटर कोणते आहेत? We have to multiply it with this, right? Then 24 it multiply with A and A is multiply with C. 2 is multiply with A. Here these are the invisible symbols. So here main bracket, whole bracket, and then we have to perform minus B, then into sign, multiplication sign, then B into B. Just check here. Now perform this. So here I give bracket for this, then again multiplication 24 into A into C, and then your main bracket is closed. This one first bracket is closed here, then this one is closed here, and this one is closed here. These are the brackets. So first B into B is performed, then it is multiply with minus B, and then it is multiply with 24, then A, and then C. Okay, then division, and then here bracket 2 into C. Okay, there is only two values, so no need of bracket, but put your bracket to understanding purpose. So this is the correct answer for first question. Convert the following mathematical formula into appropriate C statements. Now tell me a mathematical formula for this one. Suppose my question is like this: 12x square divided by 3p. Now tell me how to write in programming. कौन सांगू शकते हैं?
First we have to declare X and P.
Okay, I declare. Forget this X and P. Okay, I declare. No problem. Now I want to convert this into programming statement. Here हा क्वेश्चन समजला ना? हा कसं कन्वर्ट केला आपण? समजला का?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
हा राईट. आता मला सांग, कोण अक्रम सांग की कसं होईल हे प्रोग्रामिंग मध्ये?
Sir,
बघ.
12
हा.
into X into X.
राईट, गुड. कोणी सांगितलंय? अनुरागने का? 12.
Yes, sir.
Good. 12 into x into x, right? X square, there is no symbol for x square, so you have to put x and multiply it with. So 12 square is completed. Now next is it correct? Divide by 3p?
Yes, sir.
No.
No, sir.
We have
So 3
division
3
formula,
into
right?
P.
12 into x. Perform this first, so give bracket. Okay, and then again division sign, and then 3 into p. Now it is correct in programming statement. Okay, in programming statement. Now next question is, suppose I have another value. Just wait. Okay, another value is suppose, okay, just check, x is equal to 5a square minus 2ab plus c raised to 4 divided by 2a minus 4b. Now tell me how to convert this. कौन सांगता है? x is equal to, okay, I written.
So main square 5 into A into A
5 into a, good.
bracket
Next.
square close
Okay,
bracket
good.
close.
Bracket close.
Minus 2
Minus
into A into B
2 into a into b. Okay.
minus च्या तिथून bracket घ्यायचा B पर्यंत.
ओके, बर इथे ब्रॅकेट दिलं. नेक्स्ट
plus C into C into C into C.
Right,
Bracket
good.
close.
C into C into C.
Main bracket.
Bracket close. Okay, no need to main bracket because it is different, right?
Okay, sir.
Or you can give main bracket also, no problem. Now tell me next division part.
Division part 2 into A
Okay, 2 into A minus.
minus 4 into B.
Okay, good. 4 into B. Okay, this one is correct answer. Now next one is suppose K is equal to 12A square divided by 9B cube plus 15P4 divided by 3Q square. Now tell me how to convert this.
Sir, 12 into bracket मध्ये
Sir.
12 into A into A.
Okay, 12 into A into A. Okay,
Upon bracket मध्ये 9 into
no, it is
B.
wrong. There is no upon, na? Division symbol is there. Division.
Yes sir.
Uh,
Slash
then
9 into B
9 into B into
into
B.
B into B.
Okay. So we have to
Plus
perform this first, na? This one is first. First we have to perform this. So put here main bracket and then plus. And then perhaps main bracket. Now tell me
15 into P
into
into P into P into P.
Right, good. Division
3 into Q into Q.
Q bracket complete and main bracket
Bracket
is close. Okay, so this is the programming statement for this formula, this expression. Okay, you can perform this by using this. So you have to require K, you have to require A, B, P and Q. So declare it as float because there is division sign. Okay, don't declare by using integer because K may be float, right? Float A, comma B, comma P, comma Q, comma K. This is the correct. And you can give any values to A, B, P, PQ. Then check the result of K. Okay. So these are the practice question. Now next is point out the error in the following statement. So what are the errors? So here first, there is no multiplication sign, right? Then next one is here plus is given. Here again 2.5 into A is
No
not
multiplying
mentioned.
sign.
And here again multiplication sign is not there. So what is the answer? How to correct it? K is equal to, you have to point out the errors, means you have to write down correct statement. This is correct statement. Write down whole. So A into B, then this multiplication sign is missing. C plus 2.5 into A plus B multiplication D plus E. Okay, so this is the correct answer. So now you have to solve this big divide by 2. Big divide by 2. So here I write down question number 3, right? Question number 3. What is the question? G is equal to big divide by 3, right? Big divide by 3 eka 2 hai.
3 is
Big divide by
2.
2. Okay. Big divide by 2. Just wait. Big divide by 2. Then next is plus big plus big, then into 4 divided by big into 4 divided by big into 4 divided by big minus big, right? Minus big च है ना, minus big, yes, plus 3 ABC divided by 3. plus ABC divided by 3. Okay, this expression is given and value of ABC is 2.5, big is 2, and we have to calculate value of G, right? So here ABC is 2.5, means you have to put here ABC, and big is 2. So I put all the values inside my expression. So my expression is looks like this. G is equal to, big is 2, so 2 divided by 2 plus 2 into 4 divided by 2 minus 2 plus 2.5 divided by 3. Now solve this and tell me the answer of G. आपण बघूया कुणाचं करेक्ट येतंय. करताय ना सॉल्व?
Yes, sir.
करा सॉल्व and tell me what is the result of G. ओके, अनुज आंबेकर, लेक्चर आपलं 10 वाजता असतं बरोबर. तर 10 वाजता बरोबर लेक्चर जॉईन करायचं नेक्स्ट टाइम. मला परत परत सांगायला लावायचं नाही. Okay, now solve this. G is equal to 2 by 2 plus 2 into 4 divided by 2 minus 2 plus 2.5 by 3.
Sir,
Division.
4.16.
Okay, someone gives answer. हे कोको ने नाव काय तुझं?
Mayuresh.
फर्स्ट आन्सर काय आन्सर आहे?
4.16.
4.16. ओके, वी विल चेक. ओके,
Sir,
मला माहित नाही.
20.25.
ओके, सेकंड आन्सर इज 20.25. अजून कोणाचं वेगळं आहे?
Sir, 2.81.
येस येस,
3.83.
3.83. ओके, नेक्स्ट
2.1.
2.1. ओके, अजून कोणाचं या व्यतिरिक्त आन्सर आलंय का?
Sir,
हा, येस.
2.1, 6 times 6 and 7.
2.1
1. 6 times 6
6.
times 6.
Okay, just forget next digit. Okay, 2.16. Okay, next one is. अजून कोणाचं वेगळं आहे का? ओके, वी विल चेक.
2.75.
3.83.
3.83 already done, but here I will write down again.
Sir, 1.75. 2. No, sir. 1.75.
6.83.
1.75. 6.83. Okay. Okay, there are multiple answers. Just check what is the answer given by our compiler. Just check here. So here I declare float G, and here my expression is G is equal to काय? हा, सांगा मला इकडे पटपट. 2 divided by 2. Yes, 2 divided by 2 लिहिलं नाही का?
Plus 2 into 4
Plus
2 into 4. Yes,
divided by 2
divided by 2.
divided by 2
minus 2 plus
minus 2 plus
2.5
2.5 divided by त्याला किती? Divided by 3 है ना? Right. Okay. So here I will print value of G. Here G is equal to percent F and G. Just check what is the answer of compiler. Okay, it is काय result है? 3.83. ओके, दोघांनी आन्सर दिलं तर 3.83. कुणाचा आन्सर होतो? 3.83 is correct. 3.83 is correct. ओके, नाव आता आपल्याला चेक करायचं की तेच आन्सर का आलंय. ओके, तर आता इथे ब्रॅकेट आहे का चेक करा. ब्रॅकेट इज देअर, नो. सो आपल्याला परफॉर्म करताना कसं करायचंय, लेफ्ट टू राईट जायचंय, लेफ्ट टू राईट. सो लेफ्ट टू राईट करताना कसं एक्झिक्युशन करायचं, तर डिव्हिजन मल्टिप्लिकेशन असतील तर ते अगोदर परफॉर्म करायचे. ओके, सो चेक हिअर, where is division and where is multiplication. So 2 by 2, okay, 2 by 2 first perform, then here multiplication and division place nearest, so you can perform 2 into 4 or you can perform 4 by 2 first. Okay, कोणतेही केले तरी चालेल. and इकडे 2.5 divide by 3, so here I will perform division operation first. So my answer is, next answer is 2 divided by 2 1 plus 2 into, what is the answer of 4 by 2 2
2.
minus 2 plus what is the answer of 2.5 divided by 3, it is look like that 0.83333. so I use only 2 digit, 0.83 minus 2 0.83. Now perform multiplication here, first multiplication. So we have to perform multiplication of 2 into 2. So here I perform it. So result is 1 plus 4 minus 2 plus 0.83. Okay, so now next is, now here only plus and minus is remaining, so you have to calculate this from left to right. So go to left to right. So first perform this operation, which one, 1 plus 4, 1 plus 4. So 1 plus 4 is 5, right? 5 minus 2 plus 0.83 plus 0.83. So now left to right जायचे परत. So 5 minus 2 you have to perform first, 5 minus 2. So my answer is like this, 3 plus 0.83. now answer is 3.83 is correct answer. So here I calculated this. So compiler always perform this operation in this format. So you have to write down in your manual these all the steps. Okay, all these steps you have to put your ABC and big value, and you have to calculate this one, and then give bracket which one is calculated first, and then write down your answer. What is the value of G? So G is 3.83. so this one is completed, right? This one is completed. So now next is question number 4. Question number 4 is, write a C program to convert kilometer into miles and meters. Okay, kilometer into miles and meters. So we have to perform this program. So now tell me, what is the formula to convert your kilometer in miles? 1 mile is equal to, so there is a formula. We have to calculate two values, right? First one is miles. Question number, this is question number 4. We have to calculate miles and meters. So we already know 1000 meters is equal to 1 kilometer. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
sir.
sir.
1 kilometer is 1000 meter. आता हे तर माहिती आहे आपल्याला. So what about miles?
Sir, 0.621 miles.
1 mile is equal to
0.62.
we have one value, that is 1 mile is equal to 0.62137, right? मीन्स आता आपल्याकडे किलोमीटर आहे, मग याला किलोमीटरने मल्टिप्लाय करावं लागेल. सो वी विल गेट 1 माइल इज इक्वल टू मीन्स किलोमीटर असेल आपल्याकडे आणि 1 माइल. म्हणजे युजर कडून कोणती व्हॅल्यू ऍक्सेप्ट करायची आपल्याला, कोण सांगतंय? We have to convert kilometer
Kilometer.
into miles and meters. So accept the value of kilometer from user.
Kilometer.
Then calculate this. हे expression आपल्याला calculate करायचे and you have to print how many miles and how many meters. Okay. So just check here. आपण फास्ट करूया जरा. सो आता मला सांगा इथे माइल्सला कसं डिक्लेअर करावं लागेल रे? 0 पॉइंट आहे, मग काय घ्यावं लागेल? इंटिजर की फ्लोट? माइल्स फ्लोट घ्यावं लागेल. सो हिअर मी सगळ्यांनाच फ्लोट घेतो, सो काहीच प्रॉब्लेम येणार नाहीये. फ्लोट जर घेतला तर ऍक्च्युअल आन्सर मिळतं, बट जर आन्सर जर फ्लोट मध्ये येत असेल आणि तुम्ही इंटिजर डिक्लेअर केलं, सो इट विल गिव्ह रॉंग आन्सर. किलोमीटर, माइल्स अँड मीटर्स. मीटर्स 3 व्हेरिएबल डिक्लेअर केले. किलोमीटर युजर कडून ऍक्सेप्ट करायचे. /n enter value of kilometers. Okay, how to read this kilometer into km? Yes, tell me code.
Scanf.
Scanf has 2 part, quotation and comma. What is the value of quotation inside?
%f.
%f, because we have to store this value inside km. So after comma,
ampersand
km.
km, right? किलोमीटरचे इथे व्हॅल्यू डिस्प्ले होईल, मेसेज डिस्प्ले होईल, एंटर व्हॅल्यू किलोमीटर, युजर एंटर सम व्हॅल्यू, सो इट इज स्टोर्ड इनसाइड km व्हेरिएबल. मीनिंग ऑफ दिस, स्टोर्ड दी एंटर व्हॅल्यू इनसाइड व्हेरिएबल whose name is km. म्हणजे त्याच्या ऍड्रेसवर जाऊन, मेमरी ऍड्रेसवर जाऊन ती व्हॅल्यू स्टोर्ड होणार आहे. सो नाउ नेक्स्ट इज वी हॅव टू कॅल्क्युलेट माइल्स. माइल्स इज इक्वल टू काय? किलोमीटर इंटू 0. काय होतं? 0.62137. Okay, and meters we already know. Meters is equal to
1000.
kilometer into 1000, right?
Yes, sir.
Now print the value of both. Printf miles is equal to %f, comma, value variable name is miles. Printf meters is equal to %f, comma, meters, semicolon. Then now here /n and /n. Okay, in Turbo C, if you are running in Turbo C, so you have to give here hash include conio.h here and here getch at the end. This is dev C, so no need. Okay, enter value of kilometer. So here I enter 1. So value is given 0.62137 and remaining digit is 0 and 1000 meter. So another value, suppose kilometer is 25, that result is 15 miles, 0.53 and 25,000 meters. Okay, so this is the program for question number 4. Okay, you have to write down this in your notebook with output. Okay, with output लिहायचं आहे आपल्याला. With output you have to write down. तर प्रोग्राम लिहायचा आहे, then output is enter kilometer value is 25 miles and meter. So practical number 4 मधलं चालू आहे आपलं. Question number 4 is completed. Write a C program. Then now last one is write a C program to convert temperature in centigrade degree to Kelvin degree. So what is the formula? How to convert centigrade into Kelvin? Question number 5. Yes, कोणाला माहिती आहे का? फिजिक्स मध्ये झालं असेल. Kelvin, how to calculate Kelvin? Kelvin is equal to whatever the value of centigrade plus
273.
right, 273.15, right? 273.15 ऍड केले की तुम्हाला केल्विन मिळतं. सेंटीग्रेड सोबत ऍड करायचं. म्हणजे आपल्याला काय ऍक्सेप्ट करावं लागेल युजर कडून? क्वेश्चन काय? राईट ए सी प्रोग्राम टू कन्वर्ट टेम्परेचर इन सेंटीग्रेड डिग्रीज टू केल्विन. म्हणजे सेंटीग्रेड डिग्रीला केल्विन डिग्री मध्ये कन्वर्ट करायचं. मग काय ऍक्सेप्ट करावं लागेल युजर कडून?
सेंटीग्रेड डिग्री.
हा राईट, सेंटीग्रेड युजर देणार, त्याच्यामध्ये आपल्याला ऍड करायचंय 273.15. देन वी विल गेट केल्विन टेम्परेचर. सो हियर जस्ट चेक. सो काय इंटिजर की फ्लोट घ्यावं लागेल व्हेरिएबल साठी डेटा टाईप?
फ्लोट.
हा फ्लोट घ्यावं लागेल कारण की ते 0.15 आलाय. सो फ्लोट केल्विन साठी मी के म्हणतो, सेंटीग्रेड साठी सी म्हणतो. ओके. सो हियर वी हॅव टू ऍक्सेप्ट व्हॅल्यू फ्रॉम युजर. प्रिंट एफ एंटर टेम्परेचर in centigrade. Centigrade and Celsius same meaning. Okay, and it is represented by degree C. scanf has two part. मला कुठे सेव्ह करायचंय? C मध्ये सेव्ह करायचंय. सो %f %c. एम्परसेंट हा scanf मध्येच येतो, printf मध्ये येत नाही. आता काय फॉर्म्युला काय? k इज इक्वल टू सांगा.
C प्लस
273.615.
right, 0.15 or 15. And now print the value of Kelvin. Printf /n Kelvin temperature. Kelvin temperature is equal to %f. इथे व्हॅल्यू प्रिंट होईल आणि कुठे स्टोर्ड आहे ती?
K.
के मध्ये स्टोर्ड आहे. के ची व्हॅल्यू प्रिंट करायची. सो हियर आय कंपाइल दिस and run. Temperature in centigrade. Suppose temperature is 45 degree. So Kelvin temperature is 318.1499994. So you have to write down this program with output answer of question number 5. Temperature into centigrade degree conversion. So here our practical number 3 is completed, right? 3 is completed. We will see practical number 4 in next. So practical number 3 is completed. कुणाला काय विचारायचंय का? समजलं नाही काय? अल्गोरिदम फ्लो चार्ट सगळं झालेलं आहे. प्रॅक्टिकल नंबर 3 इज completed. येस, काही प्रॉब्लेम काय विचारायचे?